So the question I am going to handle now is, if 11 into 12 into 13 is equal to 34 and 24 and 23 into 35 is 658, what is 31 into 43 into 54? So the options are: A is 497, B is 974, C is 749 and D is 479. Now, the moment you see the first line, 11, whenever they give like this, 11 into 12 into 33, they should definitely end with 6, because it is not ending with 6, it is not multiplication, it is not pure multiplication. So it can be something else. They are not trying to want you to do multiplication here. So what they do is, it's a purely logical reasoning way of thinking things. So what will happen is, 11 into 12 into 13 is 234, means it is not ending with 6, something other than that is happening. Something other than multiplication is happening. And once they give this, first line is given, second line is given. So you will have to compare what is happening here. So find out what is happening in the first line, find out the pattern, find out if the same pattern is getting implemented here, then solve this. So you will have to find out a pattern here, whatever pattern you are able to get. There will be multiple patterns sometimes. Whatever pattern you are able to get, check whether the same pattern is applicable here, then apply that pattern here and get your answer. So what happens is, you will have to do lots of manipulations and combinations to get it. Here, what is happening is, the first number is 2 here. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. See, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So what is happening is, these first two numbers are being added and it is written here. Similarly, 1 and 2, it is getting added here. 1 plus 2 is 3 here. 1 plus 3 is 4. So you will have to check. Okay, you have found out that 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3. The first two numbers are added and written here. Second two numbers are added and written here. Third two numbers are added and written here. See whether the same thing is happening here. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So what has happened is, whatever pattern I have found out here, it is matching in the second line. Whatever pattern is found out in the first line, it is matching in the second line. Then you can be confident that whatever I have found out is right. Implement it here. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer is 479. So it is just nothing but 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Similarly here, 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. It is 479. These are all patterns, logical reasoning. Don't go purely by multiplication. Find out what exactly is happening in the first one. See the same thing is getting repeated in the pattern is getting repeated in the second one. Then implement it. Follow this.